Welcome, here I've got Nokia G50 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button. When we tap on it, we can open the camera settings. Now we have to focus on photo category, because at the second place we can find here mirror photos for front camera option. So by using the button from the right, we can easily turn off and turn on camera mirror effect as we need. And of course, when we want to make it work, we have to remember that this only works for front camera. So let's change it from the back to the front by tapping on the button from the left. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.